BullX Tutorial 2025, How to Set Up Trading Bots as a Beginner. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about BullX and how you're going to be using this incredible trading bot platform for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. And obviously, I'm going to be giving you as much detail as possible to see how as a beginner you can get started and how you can become profitable very quickly. So one of the first things you want to do is, of course, connect your Telegram to your BullX. So do make sure to go over to the bullx.io website. And over here, if you're not connected, it's going to ask you to get connected to your Telegram as I am over here. Okay. So once you go ahead and get yourself connected with Telegram, you're simply going to open it up and you're going to associate yourself with the Telegram bot and servers. Now, once you have done this for yourself, this is where the fun stuff starts. This is where you start off and you enter a username or whatever and you come into your BullX. Now, if you actually want to start trading with real money, you will need to deposit some funds. So currently, you can see that I will not have any type of currency in my BullX. So to add funds to BullX, what you're going to want to do is basically you're going to come over to the chains. Okay. First of all, you're going to choose whatever chain you want to go ahead with. So, which chain do you want to apply or not? I'm going to apply all of them and click on start trading. Now, once you do that, you're going to go over to your wallet manager. Now, once we come over to our wallet manager, as you can see in my primary wallet, I currently have 0 funds. So to set up my wallet and to deposit some funds into it, I'm going to click on add funds. And once I click on add funds, first of all, you're going to choose which blockchain do you want to add the funds to. So I'm going to stay on the Ethereum chain. And here I can either add funds through another wallet by scanning this QR code or leaving this wallet address on another wallet and simply sending crypto funds straight to it. So that's obviously one of the ways that I can do this for myself. So you can add funds, you can withdraw them, distribute them, consolidate them, and of course, set up your wallet in this way. Okay, so this is how you're going to be going ahead and setting up a proper wallet for yourself when it comes to BullX. And obviously you have your private keys over here for the separate wallets you have, for the separate tokens you have. You can also start off and create a new wallet for yourself as well, which is pretty cool. So let me give you an overview of the BullX platform features. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is chains. So in this platform, you can find tons and tons of different chains with graph charts and pipelines that you can actually trade on in different ways. And you can do spot trading, derivative trading, you can do margin trading, whatever you want. And this is about the very best platform that you can use to trade if you're trying to trade, any type of coin. So I'm going to be explaining to you directly why that is. So the first difference that this has to any other platforms is how you can, analyze your charts effectively with relation to others. So let's say I'm going to come over to Pump Vision, okay, to show you how the charts work. All right, so we come up over here, and here you can see you have tons and tons of different pump fund bots. Okay, these are all meme coins. So you can find the best pump fund moonshot tokens and track latest migrations. All right, so let's say I'm going to go over to this one over here. Now, once you've gone to this meme coin, as you can see, it's going to open this space up for you. So for most coins, you do want to check the 1 minute charts. So once this has opened up for you, what you're going to do from here is go over to the charts and go over to the 1 minute charts. Now, the 1 minute charts basically allow you to see every bar. So every bar is basically a minute. And per minute, you can see how much it's gone up or dropped down. And you can analyze your chart coin to coin in a real date info platform with this section. And you ideally want to be looking at the chart because this is the chart which is most up to date. And plenty of times you can actually sell your coins earlier than later on, which will give you more profit and more work to, actually put up. Now, let's talk about tracking developer buys and sells. Okay. So, how do you work with that? So, the DB you see up here, this means dev bot, which is, the developer bought those tokens. Then, of course, the DS, the developer sold those tokens. Now, this is really important because this cannot indicate to us as a potential buyer of this meme coin or whatever asset it might be, whether or not we'd like to purchase this coin. If we take a look and we see that the developer sold the coins quite early, this could indicate to us that the future price is not guaranteed to go up. Usually, if the developer hasn't sold a project yet, many would presume that because the developer hasn't sold, the developer believes the project will continue and go up. And of course, you would be thinking, yes, I'm going to buy in. Basically, thinking that, look, if the guy who created the coin hasn't sold it yet, why would I not be buying into this? But on the other hand, if the developer actually has sold some of the coin, which is what we see over here, we can see that, okay? So then it might be wise to not buy the coin. So that is how you're going to track developer buys and sells. And there's a lot of importance of developer activity in trading sessions as well that you can find down here. So these are all the activities you can see if they staked it, if the price went up, if the price went down, did the developer add in funds, did they leave the funds, etc. Okay? So these are different things that you're going to want to, have an idea of when you're trading. Now, moving back, if we go over to the new pairs section, now this is where you can find different pairs of tokens and cryptos and different work belongings. Now, over here, if you want to actually check out the different pairs of profitable tokens, you're going to need to filter things, okay? You're going to go over to filter, and potentially over here, you get a lot of filters to work around with. Now, the best thing that I do is turn on top 10 holders and with at least one social. Now, turning these things on is because there's so many projects out there that have 25% to 15% remarkable market costs, and personally I would set the liquidity to 20,000 at least. Okay, so by doing this, you're also going to go ahead and suggest the market cap from 10,000 to, let's go with 5 million. Okay. So once you do this, you're going to apply this. And obviously, according to this, you're going to get quite some good tokens to actually invest in. You can see their liquidity, you can see the market cap, and you can also see the number of swaps they've had, which means they do have a good volume of oddity and good seller. Okay. So, it's pretty incredible stuff. And the best part is that you can set a quick buy feature on all of these if you want to. So, the quick buy feature is really simple. Just come here. Let's say I want to buy this, right? I'm going to click on it. And obviously, you're going to enter the amount that you want to buy. So, let's say I want to buy it for 48. Okay. So, we're simply going to do that. You're going to click on quick buy, and it immediately executes the order and adds it to your wallet immediately. And, it's basically a quick buy. The name says it all. So, it's a proper analyzer of how it helps you and automates all of your selling strategies in the easiest way. So once you have done a quick buy, what you can do is you can actually go back over to Pump Vision, and according to the buy that you just made, you can automate your selling strategies and stop your losses and profit targets. So here, let's say I'm going to go over to filter, and what we're going to do is we're going to go with the top 10 holders, click on apply. Once you click on apply, right here in the filters, you're going to find the top 10 sellers. So I'm going to go over to the proper margin trading that they give us. We're going to go ahead and see the charts, configure them for ourselves. And right here, as you can see here, we have our charts. Now you can switch it from 1 minute to 30 seconds, or maybe 5 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever you think is going to be the best charting position for you. And according to that, what you can do is you can start your trading, see the live activity down here, see the DS and DB, and that is basically how you're going to be setting up your trading bots and doing proper selling on BullX. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. If you enjoyed it, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.